We have special protocols tailored for each person in general, depending of his age and depending of her medical condition and depending also of his lifestyle. I'm talking about a patient. It can be a male, it can be a female. You see, so. We take into account the medical history, the familial history of the person, and we see what kind of diseases he might or she might have in the future. So we predict the disease before it happens. Mainly we can make, we are doing also very often genetic testing in order to identify any gene who might code for a disease in the future, like a cancer or like a cardiovascular disease or whatsoever dermatological disease or diabetes or hypertension, etc. So we can identify those genes in the genetic mapping, and we make some nutrigenomics intervention. It means we give some specific nutrition, natural treatment to shut down the bad genes and to overexpress the good genes. It means to make the gene who might create a problem for the person later, to make it silent. That's what we call silencing of the genes. The science is called nutrigenomics. So we do nutrigenomics, and we have other treatments, protocol. We detoxify the body. We make a drainage of the liver. We can make also the brain detox. Also, we can take out all the toxins and heavy metals like mercury, aluminium, cadmium, arsenic, lead. Because all those heavy metals are normally stocked in the brain and creating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer or Parkinson or other diseases. So, and cancer too. So we clean the system. We clean the brain and the arteries from those heavy toxic metals and other toxins. Moreover, also we have some protocol to boost energy, to fight the chronic fatigue syndrome, because it's a major problem now worldwide. You know, ladies and gentlemen are suffering from a state of fatigue, chronic fatigue, due to many factors, mainly the pollution, bad nutrition, and bad lifestyle habits, and also stress. Stress is playing a major factor in the chronic fatigue syndrome. So we treat those people having this syndrome with specific IV drip treatment to boost their energy and to enhance their immune system and to have more cognitive function, to boost their memory, their mental status, to be alert and to focus better and to have better performance. Also, we treat our people with hormonal replacement therapy using bioidentical hormones. It means we give them natural hormones to replace the insufficiency in hormones that they may have, for menopause, for example, for women, and andropause for men, because men, we should take care of men also, because men are living longer than women. In general, 7 to 10 years less than women worldwide. It's not only here, it's everywhere, because the andropause of men has not been addressed by doctors before. So that's why we supplement those people, those men, with testosterone and other natural hormones, and DHEA, and oxytocin and melatonin and other hormones in order to boost their lifespan and to give them more chance to live longer and in a good health and to have a good sexual function. Because also we notice that there is a problem, sexual problem for men worldwide nowadays, erectile dysfunction, because there is a lack of testosterone even in young men worldwide, and the problem of fertility also, because the quality of the sperm is decreasing, and we try to improve the quality of the sperm of the man in order to have better conception. Moreover, what we do in anti-aging medicine, we use a lot of minerals and vitamins, mainly vitamin D and vitamin B12 and vitamin K2. Those vitamins are playing major role in protecting people against cancer, cardiovascular disease, and other neurodegenerative diseases. We use intramuscular or intravenous treatment for these vitamins. There is specific protocol and control of those treatments. We use also minerals, we use antioxidants, we use nutrition, clinical nutrition, because the nutrition is the base of good health, you know, to have a good nutrition. We teach our people how to eat properly, how to prepare their food, how they cook, how they should cook in a natural way, in a healthy way, and we give them also many advices on how to, what kind of foods they should avoid, what kind of foods they should eat more, depending of their particular problems. What else also we use in anti-aging medicine? We use also what we call also immune enhancing system. You know, with age that the immune system is declining and people can suffer from pneumonia and other infections during the late stage of life. And those conditions are infectious diseases, are very threatening for them, and they can kill them, and boost in order to control those kind of infections. Now also in anti-aging medicine we use stem cells. Stem cells are now the new therapy of the new millennium. Stem cells are very important in order to repair all damage of any organs that we might have. And this is very important for rejuvenation of the cells and to live longer and better. Also, the stem cells therapy nowadays has proven her efficacy, and more and more in the next coming years, the stem cell therapy will replace many other disciplines in medicine. See? So we use also some biopeptides also to boost the longevity. Biopeptides are natural amino acids that we can use to treat specific problems like osteoarthritis, rheumatism, liver problem, etc., or brain problem, or cardiac problems. That's our strategy and policy in anti-aging medicine.